makes you stand out over the other applicants, considering that I think we can safely assume that everyone uh, uh, has the skill and zeal, no, for public service. What is your so-called value added to the position?
Thank you, Your Honor. I believe I'm a strong contender for the position of the ombudsman because I have the competence. As mentioned in my application and my PDS, Your Honor, I have the academic training from my Executive Master of Business Administration, and I'm also taking my International Master of Laws, aside from my law degree. And aside from my competence, I also offer my youth, my vigor, and my integrity and my leadership, Your Honor. What I offer is my unproven leadership to the public service because I've already offered this to the private sectors, and I can assure you that I gave my best performance when I was the leader of this organization, and it's about time to offer this to the public.
Just how passionate are you, Attorney Caroche, in combating graft and corruption?
I'm deeply passionate, Your Honor, because this is the only position that I applied for, and I'm willing to leave my private practice just for this position alone. It's a lucrative practice, but I'm willing to give up that practice for this position because I believe I have what it takes, Your Honor, and I have the passion, the energy to do it among other applicants, Your Honor, because I'm the youngest, and I think I can deliver.
Have you had the opportunity of handling anti-graft related cases?
Yes, Your Honor. When I was an associate lawyer, I appeared before the Sandigan Bayan, and I was an associate lawyer for 5 years, Your Honor, before setting up my own law office. So I had a good background with regard to these cases.
Are you familiar with the Farmally case?
Formally case, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. If you were the ombudsman during that time, what would you have done differently in dealing with this particular case?
Insofar as that Farmally case concerned, Your Honor, I believe that the Farmally has a low capitalization, and yet they were able to secure a huge government contract, Your Honor. So if I were the ombudsman, I think I'm going to impede all those parties who had a participation, why that contract was given to Farmally. Because I saw that there were parties parties that were not implemented in this case, which took part or took I think there was a participation with regard to this person, and if I'm the ombudsman, I would include all those persons involved, even those private sectors.
Attorney Caroche, if you were to rate the current administration in its effort to combat graft and corruption, from a scale of 1 to 10, what is your rating and why?
I think I think it's underperforming on the basis of the perception corruption index because we scored low in the International Transparency Perception Corruption Index. So I think I would give a low score from 1 to 10. I think I'm going to give 2.
Okay, thank you. That was my final question. I wish you luck, Attorney Caroche, and thank you, Attorney Cuevas.
Thank you.
Thank you, Attorney Mejia.